Texture is what something feels like. In art, when you hear someone use the word texture, they mean that when you look at something, you have an idea about how it would feel in real life. Artists have a lot of ways they can show texture. Sometimes they use texture that looks realistic. Other times, they use patterns to give the impression of texture. Everything has a texture, animals as well as objects, and some artists even paint textured air. Today we're going to add texture to your paintings. Look at your painting and think about every part of your image, from the sky to your animal. Decide how you are going to make texture. Then draw that texture on with a Sharpie. Draw straight on your artwork. If you make a mistake, it isn't a big deal. You can paint over it. You can also use this time to re-outline your totem animals if parts of them got lost in the paint. Once you have your texture drawn in Sharpie, you're going to go back in and paint on texture. Use your Sharpie marks as a guide, and remember to mix colors. You can create different shades of colors, that means lighter or darker colors, by mixing in white or black paint. This means that even if you painted something beautifully and want to keep that color the same, you can add texture by remixing that color but adding a little white or black so it's just a little bit different from the original color. The more colors you add on top, the more texture you're going to add to your painting. You're going to have 2 days to work on this, so take your time, use a small brush, and consider every part of your image.